Hey there folks, today's Friday, October 12th, 2018, Jaybird here. Yesterday or last night, Hurricane Michael flew through here, Richmond, VA, and wrecked my seed for one thing. I put down seed, extra bag of seed about a week ago, and I'm sure all that got washed away. Let's take a look at an example. You can see right here, all the seed that I put there is just washed away. There's some of it up here, but so right here is a big empty spot. I gotta plant some more seed. I gotta throw some more seed out here. Here's another spot you can see where a lot of the seed is taken from 2 weeks ago when I planted right after aeration. So that's coming in okay, but there's also a bunch of spots here. Looks like somebody stepped on my lawn right there for whatever reason. So there's still a bunch of holes that I need to fill in. But here's what Michael really did to me. Right there. So I have said on more than one occasion, I do not like these Bradford pear trees, because this is what happens to them. So you can see here what happened to this tree, this limb. All these limbs are all in the same place on this tree. You have the trunk, comes to a certain spot, and then you got limb. So you can see where this limb broke off right here. There's too much weight in one place. So this is what we have. This limb just laying in my yard from last night. Pretty hefty size. You know, just gotta clean it up, throw it in the back of my truck. So no use whining about it anymore. Just better to just get to work. Yeah, so that's the routine. Cut a little, clean a little, cut a little, clean a little. Okay, so that's one truckload covered. Second truckload in the street, ready to go when I get back. I'm taking the first truckload. And a nice pile of wood for my neighbor for their fire pit across the street. You can hear everybody's cleaning up. Everybody's cleaning up their yard. So I'm lucky I only live like a mile from the dump, so that's pretty good. Just to show you close-up of the limb that fell. So you can see right there, there's where the limb fell, broke off. Yard's all clean. A little pokes here and there, but it'll live. So that's it for this video. See you next time, folks.